Now she is. Hey guys.
Tell me when you're recording, Naima.
I am. Hey guys.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Stay on friendship.
On friendship. Look, I'm actually recording. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And
Girls Aldi.
And Naima.
And today's game we're playing Airplane 2. If you guys didn't see the other video that we made yesterday, it's called Airplane 4.
And we played it with Cammy. But this time, we have a special guest, and it's Lexy. Say hi.
One of our friends. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button so you don't miss one of our bomb videos again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin.
And if you saw the last video, Allie died first. So we're going to see if Allie dies again. Okay, guys, let's go to this one. What the heck? I'm in there, but like, wait, let me leave the room. Oh. Shoot. It's not letting me leave. Oh. Okay, guys. We are ready to go on the plane. So we got Lexy, Allie, me, and Daniela.
We don't even know that girl, so I'm okay.
Airplane 2 is a jump scare because Allie's there. Okay. The bathroom's not opening. I don't like that. And this door is not opening. Wait, but we can see the.
We can kind of guys.
Okay, I'm gonna see where my seat is. I want to sit by somebody. Where's my seat? Oh, I'm right there. Yay. Hey. Hi, Lexy.
Hi.
You know what? I'm gonna sit here. It's not letting me. You have to have a seat.
My name is Kelly. That's a girl's name.
Wait, ready, guys? Ready, guys? I'm gonna make it fun. Ready?
As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane.
No, I actually thought it was a plane.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 Presidential Aircraft. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys.
Guys, I found
an airplane last time.
Biggie, go sit. Go sit. Daniela, go sit. Yeah, guys, I'm walking so slow mode. Go, guys! Oh!
Where'd the other girl go?
I think she died. Or left the game. I think she left the game. Did we just go do the Daryl? Thank you for your cooperation. I've been informed a president and agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Wow! Wow! And remember, no one should know about this. What are you talking about? Are they gonna come through this door? Did anyone else see that? Biggie, move! Wait, he's like those people that block the door and then they can't get out because they're so big. Can I go high? Why are my legs so long? Why are all our legs so long? Wait, no, why is her Lexy, why is yours not long? Why am I long? I want to sit right here. Bro, it's not letting me sit. Bro, why are the chairs bigger than me? I want to sit down. Hello. Thanks for joining me in this meeting. Thanks for joining me in this meeting. Wow. You trying to break out? Can I go home? I want to work. Guys, who wants to work with me? Guys, come on. I'm in the workroom. What?
Guys, help me.
It's for you.
You guys have to help me.
We are.
How do I grab it?
You press on it. Great. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. We already are at the dining room. What? Where are we? Hi, Mr. President. Ew, why do you look red? What? Hey.
I'm sorry. It's a habit.
You're not even sitting on the chair, bro. I'm tired. Y'all want to play a different game? Guys, I'm stuck. Oh. Allie, you're... Ha ha ha! No, we won't.
Well, you will. You look like a great chef.
What? But Mr. Get out. Get out.
Well, you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you out of this plane too.
I don't care. I want to leave anyways. Guys, somebody help me.
I will tell you the ingredients. You have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before.
Skibbity pop. Skibbity. What ingredients?
If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the
Skibbity pop. Come on, Allie, you need to go in the trash can. And you too. The soup. Apple? Where's Apple?
Right there, up there. Nine up there.
Why do you need an apple in the soup, bro? Like, what?
The soup needs.
Where? This? Where? Oh. Where? This is Pepper! I'm dying, bro. Ah!
Nothing more like taking too long. Take him out. Normal revive. Normal revive.
I don't have Robux.
That looks delicious. Where'd you go? Everyone take a seat. Go. Oh, God. No.
Okay, guys, so
You die. Enjoy.
I died. So let's go play something else.
Bro, why isn't that leaving us
Skibbity, 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 pop. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video of ours. Bye. It's your two babes, Allie and Ima.